What is up, my diggity dogs? It is I, the long-haired retard. I have just finished making my forearm spear. It is approximately 5:30 a.m. the day after homecoming, and I finally finished it. It has a area for your arm right here and a handle. It's an old repurposed fishing spear. It really has no purpose at the moment, but I just think it's the funniest thing. I designed all these pieces and screwed them. I designed all these pieces and screwed them in. It has a little screw hole right there, and under the pad on this, there's a screw. You can find it, but because it was a bit too loose, I put a bunch of nails and zip tied it. There's not that many on this one, but still quite a bit. But this guy is one of those dumb things. He be saying, I'm gonna put it on so I can show you guys what it's like. Oh my god. Sorry. It's so stupid and unnecessary. I just love it. Originally, I thought it'd be cool to have like this thing in the car in case of road rage. So it's like, get back in your car. So I designed a belt buckle and all these pieces that hook on and screw. And to keep the tie from slipping out, I have this bolt that's melted into the fabric. I got this stupid little handle. So what the spear originally looked like was I'd say about a good 7 feet tall. The handle was the pitchfork on the top was all rusty, and the separating line all the way down to where the wood starts, it was all a green paint that had holes in it with rust. And I was able to sand it all down so it was smooth enough to paint. So I painted it chrome with a polycarbonate seal on top, and I did a little oil lacquer type seal on the wood itself, and just cut off the end. I know this is going on too long, but who really cares? It's a forearm-mounted spear. And I had surprisingly good control over it for it being a one-handed operation. Sorry for the shaky camera. I have no kind of tripod or anything. This should be the end of the video. See you around, you nerd.